Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th mathematics chapter number 3 polynomials. Okay now, so in this we are going to see all the fill in the blanks question. Okay now, we already see the important question. We are going to see the fill in the blanks question we are going to see. So let's see and watch this. So this video is especially for the Telangana and Andhra. Okay now, this is designed especially for the Andhra and Telangana. Okay, so let's see this here. Okay, the degree of the content polynomial is constant polynomial. Okay, then 10 to the 12th one you can see. So then after you can see 13 to the 19 one. Is it clear for you? There is nothing in that one. Okay, then 19 to 26 you can see. I hope is it clear for you. Okay, so then you can see the 20. Okay, so 25 to 30 you can see. In the downwards also there is a 0 taken to second, 0 taken 2 at the time is. Okay, so then 31 to 32 you can see. Okay, then after you can see the answer sheet here. So this is the answer sheet. Well, I hope is it clear for you and you don't have any doubts of the kinds of doubt in that. So we will meet in next video. Jai Hind.